Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about 5 amazing outfit hacks to maximize your wardrobe, especially for us shorter girls. If you are in your 20s and 30s and looking to maximize your outfits, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Hack number 1, high-waisted everything. High-waisted pants, skirt and shorts are petite girls' best friend. They elongate your legs and create an illusion of height. Pair them with a tucked-in top to emphasize your waist and create a balanced silhouette. See how tucking in the shirt immediately makes the outfit look more put together and gives me a taller appearance. It's a simple trick, but it works wonders. Hack number 2, monochromatic outfits. Wearing a single color from head to toe creates a continuous line and makes you look taller and slimmer. You can play with different shades and textures within the same color family to create depth and interest in your outfit. For example, I love mixing a knit sweater with sleek trousers. It adds dimension without breaking the vertical line. Hack number 3, focus on proportions. As a shorter woman, it's important to balance your outfit's proportions. Avoid oversized outfits that overwhelm your frame. Instead, opt for fitted tops and bottoms that highlight your shape. Notice how this fitted top and jeans combination creates a balanced look, making my legs appear longer. Hack number 4, V-necks and vertical lines. V-neck top draws eyes downward, creating longer and linear appearance. Vertical stripes and patterns works similarly, elongating your figure. Whether it's a simple V-neck, t-shirt or a dress, these pieces can make a big difference in how tall you appear. Hack number 5, smart layering. Layering can be tricky, but when done right, it actually makes you look taller. Stick to layers that are fitted and avoid bulky pieces. For example, wearing a fitted cardigan or a jacket over a top creates a streamlined look. A cardigan that falls right at your hips can elongate your frames as well. The key is to ensure that the layers are not overwhelming and that they complement your shape. So there you have it. 5 outfit hacks to make you look taller and stylish. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fashion tips and tricks. Let me know in the comment which hacks you are excited to try first. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.